Alright, so this is the narration for our Rube Goldberg video. Uh, so this first part is just introductions. There's Andre Miramontes, Martin Montiel, then me, and then Jose Marin. So to start it off, Jose will push this chair, and the chair will fall onto this door. This is a transition from kinetic energy in the chair to kinetic energy in the door. The door will move out of the skateboard's way, releasing the spring energy stored within these rubber bands. The spring energy will then transition into kinetic energy in the skateboard. That's two so far. The skateboard will then transfer its kinetic energy into the ball, pushing it down the stairs, where its gravitational potential energy will then transfer to kinetic energy and gain more speed and velocity down the stairs. That is, I believe, 4 so far. Then the ball will hit that. That wasn't really a clear shot. This is a styrofoam pillar that we found. The ball will hit the styrofoam pillar, transferring its kinetic energy, and then create a domino effect. So, as of now, that is 5. Okay, this last part. This styrofoam pillar is supposed to hit. There's a clear shot of it somewhere. So this thing right here, this is a basket that's leaning propped up against a bike. So what was supposed to happen was the styrofoam pillar would land on the basket, knocking the basket over, and then knocking the basket over would release the spring energy stored inside this rubber band string, pulling on the light switch and turning off the light. So that didn't really happen. The basket did not fall over, but what did happen though, instead of the basket falling over, the styrofoam pillar did pull on the string, completing the Rube Goldberg machine, so that still counts. So that is another example. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. That is another example of spring energy. Yeah. So that's at least 6. We had kinetic energy from the chair to kinetic energy to the door, spring energy being released, transferring to kinetic energy to the skateboard, kinetic energy being transferred to more kinetic energy to the ball, just enough to get it down the stairs and start rolling. Then that potential energy from the ball going down the stairs was changed to more kinetic energy, right? Then obviously that started the domino effect, and then finally the domino released the spring energy stored inside the rubber bands in order to pull on the light switch and turn off the light. That's it.